We have a new house, new messes to clean, and I'm looking forward to serving all you people out there to just go ahead and keep the world clean, right? Keep you guys smiling, keep it shining. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and show you my mess.
Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you will be notified for all of my upcoming videos.
It's all so new to me. I need you. Someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me.
Is that the best I can do?
Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. I've been chasing highs just to breathe, yeah, I need that. Take it all in now, I see what I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way.
So as some of you guys can tell, I do my kitchen quite often. Where would you like to see me clean next? Is it the living room, one of the bedrooms, the bathrooms, the laundry room? The choice is going to be yours.
Someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you. Someone to.
I don't know about you, but I think that stacking a dishwasher it's like artwork, or it's like Tetris. You got to do it the right way so everything can fit in.
Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me.
Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same.
Say hello to my little friend, man.
In spite of my trauma, give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all all bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on a right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on.
That is nasty, man. What is going on with that orange?
City lights are making me wanna be something else than I'm meant to. Spending time reminiscing of where you.
Well, it looks like we're almost out of winter and into spring cleaning pretty soon here. So if you guys have any tips for a spring cleaning video, please leave your comments below.
Guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night. Dreaming big makes me smaller than I wanna be, but I guess I'll get used to being small in a world that's not acting kind, even if I don't want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night.
We have our method cleaner, and this one is for wooden tables.
The city lights are making
All right, here's the finished results. I think it turned out rather well. What do you guys think? Main thing is the wife is happy, the wife is rested, she didn't have to clean this house. So to all you men out there, don't forget, give your wives a break and grab a cloth, grab a broom, and help them out once in a while. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell, and we'll see you next time.